You ever notice when you make or buy signs at the dollar store, they're too small, or the yardstick signs? So what we're going to do today is I took just a scrap piece of leftover wood, and I got hubs to cut it into a point for the stake end. It's about, I don't know, 3 feet long or so. And then I went and I bought some. My theme this year is ghosts, so I went and I bought some Halloween signs, spooky vibes, boo. And then the main one is happy haunting. Okay, so I'm going to start, I'll just take, and by attaching them to the sign will be much bigger than the ones you bought. This one was $1, maybe $2. And these ones for sure were $2. They still got the price tag on them. Now the first thing we have to do is I have to take and remove the staples out of the back. I'm going to do that now. I'll cut this end off. And I got this out. And so now I have all 4 of my signs. And some leftover ribbon I'll keep a hold of. Get rid of all this. Seeing as though we're in the garage, I do not want to harm the tires at all. Okay. So now, here's our sign. And how can we put these? I'll put him so he makes it a little bit taller even than that. Happy haunting. Spooky. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take each one of these and I'm going to glue them to the stick. So let's see, this one's here. I'm going to go from about here up. Eyeball. About like that, eh? Let's see here. I'll move it down a little bit so you can see. Put it in here, and I'm going to make it a little bit kooky so it doesn't look perfect. So from here to about there. Just normal everyday wood glue. Sorry, I took a little interlude and went outside and helped Hub with the leaves. So these 2 are dry. And now I'm going to go and we'll put the bottom 2 on. I have the ghost. I think I'll put the ghost on straight. And maybe even the boo. So all I'm going to do again is I'll sit and figure out about it'll be here to there. I'm just going to eyeball it from about where to start. Go like that. And for the boo, about here. Here up a little bit. I'm going to let this dry. I'll give it an hour or so. So I'm good. I got hubs. It's nailed or it's glued. You can see it stays together. But you know, with rain or whatever, even on one night, I think it's a good idea to just tack it besides. So I got him. He's going to air nail it for me.
I'm using 1/2-inch nails and staggering them.
Up here more. Thank you. Now that's the ghost. I don't care.
I'll put 2.
Yeah. Thank you.
There.
I'm done.
Done.
So now I'm going to go on the next one. It'll be the finished picture.